Nothing is impossible in this life. Anything is possible. If you truly want something in life, you can make it happen. There is nothing which is going to stop you if you believe in yourself that you can do it. Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you are very good. Today I am going to discuss how much important to learn English language. Most of the people, they don't take it seriously. They think that it is not that important for them, and that's why I want to talk about this topic again. But before start, I want to say to each of one, please watch the video till the end, because this video is going to make you understand how much important to learn English language. And if you new to watch my video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, because I make this kind of video about how to speak in English. So let's start. Today I am going to discuss how much important to each of one to learn English language. Most of the people, they still don't take it seriously. They think that nothing would be worth it if they improve their English language. It is not that important for them. I want to make sure to each of one, it's a global language. Let's suppose you want to go outside in your country. How can you communicate with people if you could not understand English language? Because they don't understand your native language. They only can understand English language and their native language. So if you could not understand this language, then how can you communicate with them? Or if you want to do a global job, if you want to do a job in corporate sector, how can you do a job? How is it possible to you? So it is important, bro. It is not only for that. There are many reasons to improve English language. In future, definitely it will be worth it to learn this language. So please take action right now. Use your time. Time is very important, because if the time is gone, this time never come back to you. It doesn't matter what you do for that. You don't get back that time again. And I don't want that people get regret about it. So please take action right now. That is important to each of one. Learn this language. Please take it seriously. Some people, they think that it is very difficult to speak this language fluency. It is not possible to improve English language. I want to make sure to each of one. About 5 years ago, I had no idea how to speak in English. I had zero idea. I could not read one sentence. I never thought that one day I could speak in English unless I try to practice. When I start the practice, I realize it is not that impossible. We make it hard. We think that it is so difficult. Stop thinking that it is very difficult to learn this language. Stop thinking that it is impossible. No, it is not that impossible. If it would be impossible, then how other people can talk this language, even though it is not their mother tongue? How is it possible for them to speak this language out loud? If they can speak in English, if I can speak in English, why you think that it is not possible to you? It is not our mother tongue, bro. It is our second language or third language. Then how is it possible to us to speak this language out loud? If we can do it, if we can speak in English, then why you think that you cannot speak in English? Why you think that it is so impossible? Nothing is impossible in this life. Anything is possible. If you truly want something in life, you can make it happen. There is nothing which is going to stop you if you believe in yourself that you can do it. If you believe that you have potential, you have capability to do anything what you want out of your life. So take action. How can you improve yourself? How can you improve your English language? Practice to talk with yourself in front of the mirror as much as possible. What you talk, try to say those things in English language. First think. Try to think in English before talk, because if you cannot think in English, then it is not possible to you to speak this language out loud. So this is very important. I think from my experience, I think that thinking is very important to speak this language so fluency. So first you have to learn how to think in English. How can you think in English? What you think in your native language, try to think those things in English language as much as possible. I know you will make mistakes. I also make mistakes every single day. Everyone make mistakes. It is not our mother tongue. It is not that bothering people, because we know, we can understand it is not our mother tongue. So it is okay to making mistakes. It does not mean that we cannot speak in English. It does not mean that we cannot improve ourselves if we make mistakes. Stop thinking those things. You have to make mistakes to order to achieve success in life. Keep this in mind. You have to make mistakes to order to achieve success in life. So make mistakes, make enough mistakes. That is going to help you a lot to improve yourself. It is going to help you a lot to improve your communication skills. So please take it seriously and try to learn this language. It is possible. It is not that impossible. And watch English video as much as you can, because that is going to help you to improve your listening skills. Also, you will learn lots of many things, how native English speaker talk, and when they talk, how they make themselves in front of other people. You will learn many things if you watch English video. What you watch, try to watch those kind of video in English language. I highly suggest to every one, because I still watch English video instead of in my native language videos, because that helped me a lot to improve my English language. And I suggest to everyone, watch English video instead of, and try to talk with people. Don't avoid these things, because most of the time we avoid to talk with another persons because we get scared. We think too much what people think about us, and that's why we hold back ourselves to don't want to talk with people. Don't do that. Just go out and talk with people. Nobody's going to laugh at you, because everyone make mistakes. They also make mistakes every day. They don't think that people are going to laugh at them, because they break that fear, and you have to break your fear to talk with another persons. Nobody's going to laugh at you, bro. Just go out and talk with people. That is going to help you a lot to build your confidence. That is going to help you a lot to improve your communication skills. And I know everyone knows that how much important to each of one to improve our communication skills. So now I hope you understand how much important to learn English language, and also I hope you understand it is possible to speak this language out loud. Anyone can speak in English if you practice with consistency. Make discipline, because discipline is important to do work every single day with consistency. That is very important. So I hope you understand how much important to you to learn this language, and it is possible to speak out loud in English language. Just do the practice with consistency. So thank you so much guys for watching me. I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, because I make this kind of video about speaking English. Also I make video about motivation. I want to make people understand anything is possible in life. We can become anyone who you want. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell, turn on the notification. 2 days for that. I will be back very soon. Bye guys.